Guys, I just found this amazing app that allows us to make money by playing games. This is the best app I have come across in playing games. If you look over here, you can see I have 20,000 naira right there. And the best thing about this app is that they pay in USD, all right? They pay in USD. If I click that place that is showing 20,000 right now, you will see I have 13.36 USD. All right, that is equivalent to 20,000 naira. Guys, this is massive. I just make this money today without any referral. I just make this money today. So I want to share this update to you guys so that you guys can start playing games and start making money. You don't need to deposit money into this place to play this game. Just sign up and start playing games. Just one single game. Once you conquer the enemies, then you are good to go. All right, you can see the minimum withdrawal here is 15 USDT, and I'm already on 13 USDT. If you don't want to withdraw 15 USDT, you can wait. If you accumulate up to 30 USDT, you can withdraw. If you accumulate up to 49 US dollars, you can also withdraw as well. But me, I will withdraw this particular 15 USD once I accumulate up to 15. You can see I have just not up to 2 USD to go here, not up to 2 USD. So I'm going to meet up that money this particular moment, all right? But I don't want this video to be too long. Let me just show you guys how to play this game. First of all, if you click the link I'll be leaving on the video description or on the comment section, it will take you to where you will sign in. All right, it will take you to where you will sign in, and you can see this is level 54, but this level is not actually the main level. All right, this is your life points. This one here is your life points. Let me mark it for those of you that will not see it. This one here is your life point. This one is your life point. So once the enemy is conquering you, is conquering you, then this one will be reducing. All right, but if you sign up for the first time, you see this place that is showing 1005. Can you see it? This place that is showing 1,500. You will have to input my referral code for you to get the 1,500. Because if I click on that 1,005 now, you can see invitation code has been filled in reward, and invitation code has been filled in. The reward has been issued, which means I have filled in the invitation code and they have issued my reward to my balance. That is 1,500 naira. So this is the invitation code here you will input once you click on that place. If they ask for invitation code, while signing up, you will input this one. But if they not ask you, once you create the account and come to this interface, click on that 15. If they ask you for an invite code, put this code for you to get the 15. All right, then you can see filled in. I have already filled in. I have not filled in. It will be showing green, right? So I have to fill in, then I click on claim now. But it's already filled in. That's why it's showing this color, right? So let me go back and let's go to agent account. This agent account here, this one here, this agent account. So if you come to agent accounts right now, you can see I'm currently at level 2 here. So that's why I told you guys that level 54 is not actually the main level. This level 2. If you pass level 1, you will get 4,600. If you pass level 2, you will get 3,100. So that is how this particular game works. You can see I have already claimed this one. And if I click on this particular receive allowance now, you can see I'll claim this life now. So let's click it and see. Okay, insufficient alliance. They want me to get more alliance to claim that particular one. So that brings us to this interface. So let me show you guys how to come to this interface. This is the interface here. This one that is showing mission. All right, you see this mission that is showing 2,635. That is where you will come. So let's go to mission now. It is not, you can see I have not invited anybody here. For those of you that think that this is all about invite, this is not all about invite. I have never invited anybody here. It is showing 0/5, which means I need to invite 5 people, and I have never invited anybody here, and I'm not even after invite. All right, so but you guys can invite your friends and family. Once they pass level 2, you'll be getting 15. Once they pass level 1, you get 15. Once they pass level 2, you get 15, which means any level they pass, you'll be getting 1,500. Like this level now, this level that's this level 50, 54 right here now. If they pass one, you will get 1,500. If they pass two, you will get 1,500 as well. All right, so that's how this one works. So for us to play again, so let me go back to that mission again and complete what I was telling you guys. So let's go back to the mission and complete what I was telling you guys. So here, this one that is showing complete interactive task, which means you have to, if I click on play now, it will run ad. It will run ad. The ad that is running is to show you that this app is currently monetized with Google Ad Mob. All right, any app that you see that they are displaying, ad on the app, just know that the app is currently monetized with Google Ad Mob. All right, then this particular one, this every video, I have 5 over 0/5 to go. Then this cumulative videos, I have to remember, you can see I have not done anything here today. So this one, this online time, if you stay online for I think 30 minutes or so, they will give you all these tasks. All right, so this is the task, this is everyday task. I've done this task yesterday and they give me reward. So if I do it today again, they will also give me reward. All right, but I don't want this video to be too long. So let's go and play the game, and let me show you guys how to conquer the enemies. All right, so let's go back. Then we click on start game. All right, let's click on start game right now. Click on start game. So I just mute this now, so let's just wait. All right, let's just wait. So you can see they just pop up these are the weapons that you need to choose. So I will advise you to choose. You can see the rate. You can see this middle one, this throwing knife, have 3 stars down here. You can see it. This one have 3 stars down here, which means this one is the most popular one that people are choosing. Some have 3 stars, but I will show you that once in a little while. Right, so let's choose this throwing knife. You can see the throwing knife has been activated. It's now throwing the enemies. So now you can see this throwing knife again have 3 stars. This thunder fist have 1 star. This random strifing have 1 star. All right, so let's choose throwing knife. So the one that have more stars is the ones that we are going to choose, which means that's the one that is very, very effective in destroying enemies. All right, then I will show you when to choose the one that have 1 star. So let's click on this throwing knife again. So I just want to show you guys how to play this game. All right, so remember we are currently having 54 in level. So you can see this one have 1 star, this one have 1 star, this one have 1 star. That means these are the new ones in Bob. So the one I will advise you to choose, don't choose this last one, this thunder hammer. Don't choose it. I will advise you to choose between gear shade or drill bullets. All right, but let's choose gear shade. Let's choose gear shade. You can see what the gear shade is doing now. It's now rolling around me now to destroy the enemies. I believe you understand. It's now rolling around me to destroy the enemies that are coming close, while the knife is going far to destroy the enemies that are coming from far away. All right, so this is another option that you need to select. You don't need to select. You don't need to click anywhere for this skill selection to pop up. Just wait. Once the time reach, they will pop it up for you. You only just to relax and select the weapon you want. All right, so here now, this one have 1 star, 1 star, 1 star. Then here now, let's select this light sword, this middle one here, light sword. All right, let's select light sword. You can see now enemy is coming now. The enemy is coming with full speed now. So we need more equipment to conquer them, more weapons to conquer them. Now they will pop up another one again. All these one they have 1 star, 1 star, 1 star. This place now, I will advise you to choose this lightning. You see this middle one, this lightning, long range lightning. That's the one I will advise you to choose. So let's choose it now. You will see what the lightning is doing. It's going to be striking like a thunder. So let's choose this lightning now. You see, this lightning now is the one striking like a thunder. I so much love this lightning. Despite that it has, you can see bows is incoming. So the bow is about to come now. The bows might conquer us. We might conquer the bows. But if the bows conquer us, they will give us a resurrection life for us to. There will be an ad that will run up for like a minute or 30 seconds. Then after that ad finish running, they will give us another life to energize our life. So let's click on drill bullets. So now that boss is here, now you need to be moving up and down so that the bones weapon will not get to you that easily. All right, So you need to be moving up and down, all right? So let's be moving. You'll be moving around, up, down, so that the bulls might conquer us here, we might conquer the bulls. But the thing is that you need to be moving, because when the small enemies are around, you were one place. But now that the bulls is here now, you need to be moving. You can see the bulls is also throwing us weapons, so we need to be moving around. Yes, we conquer the bulls. We conquer the bulls. You can see victory. You can see now victory. They just give us extra life and extra. I don't want it to be too long. You can see we just conquer the bulls now. But normally, if he's one of the strongest bulls, the bulls have to conquer me first. Then they will not give me resurrection life for me to resurrect and come and conquer the bulls back. So now we just conquer the bulls. Now you can see victory. The crown is ours. If I click on this next level now, you can see they are going to increase that 54 level to 55. So let's go. Click on this level now. You can see now this level now have increased to 55. All right, so let me just play this particular game now, and then I will. So this ahead, see now they are bringing up different. I will advise you to select this soccer ball. This soccer ball here, these three are amazing. These three weapons are amazing. All right, but let's select soccer ball. Let's select soccer ball. You can see the soccer ball is going around hitting the enemies away. Then you see this fist, this thunder fist. Don't select this thunder fist because it's not as effective as other weapons. All right, it's not as effective as other weapons. But I would advise you to select hammer, throwing hammers, or throwing knife. Let's select throwing knife. Guys, make sure you like this video, share to friends, subscribe, and turn on the bell so that when I post amazing videos like this, YouTube will notify you and you come and watch. I'm telling you guys to take my updates serious. You guys are joking with my updates. I just make $13 in few hours just by playing games without any investment. The updates I share with you guys the other day, last 2 weeks, one person chatted me on Telegram that he want to make a withdrawal. I should guide him. I have guided him, and I think he have withdrawn his money. He have withdrawn his money, I think 20 something USDT or thereabout, without any investment, just by doing task. You guys should like this video, share to friends, subscribe, join my Telegram channel so that when next I post amazing video, you'll be the first person to be notified and come and watch. So here now, let's select. Like you can see, this soccer ball have 2 star, but we are not going to be selecting this soccer ball because we already have soccer ball already. So if we select this soccer ball now, they're not going to activate it in our weapon. But let's select this light sword because we don't have any light sword before. All right, so let's select this light sword. You can see light sword now. It's very, very effective. You can see light sword. You can see light sword. So they will pop up another one now. Okay, here now select GR Shed. Select GR Shed because we all know how effective GR Shed is. Moving around you, destroying enemies. Why the soccer ball is going far, killing them. Why the light sword is going. Oh my God! So here now let's choose throwing hammers. Let's choose throwing hammers here. I'm just giving you guys expo to play this game. All right, I'm just giving you guys balls incoming. All right. They will give us another here. Let's select Boomerage. Let's select Boomerage. Oh, this boss is wicked boss. But let's see what we can do. Let's see what we can do. If these bulls conquer us, they are going to give us a resurrection life to run ads. Ad will run for us to resurrect again. You can see the bulls conquer us. You can see this play that says free resurrection. Right? It means if I click it now, there will be an ad that will run now. Then after the ad has finished running, they will give us another life to conquer the bulls. So let's go now. Let me click on run on the free resurrection. You can see loading. So I will mute the ad so that the voice will not interrupt my video. All right. So let's wait for it to come up. I pray that they should bring mic or speaker, whatever, so that I can mute the ad once.
Excuse me, what is your job?
Huh?
I mean, like, you're dressed really well and it looks like you make a lot of money.
Oh, I live stream.
You can make money doing that.
Oh, they don't
Yeah,
bring
you can
mic.
make thousands
Okay,
of dollars on Bigo Live just by live streaming. Anyone can do it.
Okay, but what do you do while live streaming?
Well, anything. Because there are millions of people in the app.
Sorry guys, so that because of YouTube copyrights and all that, I don't want to this video to give me strike on YouTube here. So once they finish running this ad, I will increase the volume again. All right. Please guys, make sure you like this video. Like for me, encourage me by subscribing to this channel. Like the video and subscribe. That is the only way you can encourage me to keep on sharing more free updates for you guys like this. You guys should encourage me by liking the video and subscribing, please. Alright, we just finished the ad now. Let's okay, let's wait for the countdown to finish. This is the Bigo advert. I told you that this app is monetized with Google Ad Mob, so they pay the money for them to display ad on their app. Alright, so let's wait for this to pop out, then cancel this, then we are up again. Yeah, they just give us another life. So here now we need to conquer the bulls. Yes, we conquer the bulls. We just conquer the bulls now. Then victory. But now I'm not going to be clicking on next level because we have already conquered the bulls. Alright. But I will be clicking on home. Let's go to home. You can see now 56. We just played 2 games now and we won and the level have increased to 56. All right, so that is how you play the game, right? That's how you play the game. So if you go to invite, right, so if you want to invite your friends and family, you can see if your friend passed the 2 level, you will get 1.5. If your friend passed the level 4, the 4 level, you will get 1.5. If your friend passed level 6, you get 1.5. So each 2 level your friends pass, you are going to be getting 1.5. All right, so the only thing you need to do is click on invite now, then click on copy content. Right, click on copy content, then go and share it to your friends. Once they sign up and come on board, you will be getting commission. Just when they sign up and come on board and pass each 2 level, you'll be getting commission for yourself. All right, I'll still make a full video on this particular platform, how to withdraw, how to set up an account, all of that. But I believe you guys know how to set up an account already. Just click the link. I'll just copy it now. I'll be paste it on the video description or comment section. Then if you are on board, if they ask you to input code, code, this is the code you will input. This 59819194. All right, then for you to get to 1,500 naira. So make sure you like this video, share to friends, subscribe, and turn the bell icon on. So when I post on some video like this, YouTube notify you and you come and watch and benefit. All right, see you on my next video. Peace.